Let's solve this equation together. It says 4 raised to power x is equal to 18. Let's solve this quickly. So the first thing, I can write 4 to be equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 2. Okay. Now I can also write 18 to be equal to 2 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 2 times 3 raised to power 2. Okay. Now, substituting this into my initial equation, what I now have is 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power x, which is equal to 2 times 3 squared. Okay. Now, if I have something in the form of a raised to power m all raised to power n, it becomes equal to a raised to power m multiplied by n. So this is not an exception. So this becomes equal to what? 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by x, which is 2 raised to power 2x, to be equal to 2 times 3 squared. Okay. Now, let's say that we take the logarithm of both sides. So we have logarithm of 2 raised to power 2x to be equal to logarithm of 2 times 3 squared. Okay. Now, logarithm of this, so if you have logarithm of a raised to power b, it can be written as b multiplied by logarithm of a. Okay. So applying this here, we have 2x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to be equal to logarithm of 2 times 3 squared. Okay. Moving on, we can have 2x times logarithm of 2 to be equal to, now rewriting this, we're going to use another law of logarithm. So when you see multiplication, it means separate the log and add. So what we have here is log of 2. Okay, we now add, okay, and then we have log of 3 raised to power 2. So we've separated the log and we've added. Okay. Now, moving on, we can now divide both sides by 2 log of 2. Okay. So 2 times log 2 on this side, divide this side by 2 times log 2. Okay. So you see that 2 and log 2 take each other out. So what we're left with here is x. Okay. And x is equal to what? And this can be separated. So we have log 2 all over 2 log 2 plus log 3 squared over 2 log 2. Now, moving on from here, we have that x is equal to, what is left here is 1 over 2 plus, we can factor out 1 over 2 multiplied by what? Log. Okay, log 3 squared can be written as 2 log 3. Okay, all over log 2. Now 2 will take 2 here, so that we are left with what? X will be equal to half plus log 3 over log 2. Okay, now x now can be equal to half plus, now log 3 over log 2 can be written as log of 3 in base 2. Okay, so this becomes our simplified answer. Thanks for watching.